Welcome, in front of me is a Nubia Air, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, before I get started, I do want to quickly mention that I can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock that you might have set that you just don't know. Maybe your child set it up or whatever. So yeah, you can get rid of it through this kind of reset, but everything else stored on the device, applications, contacts, photos, and all that stuff, if it's not backed up to the cloud or somewhere else, it's just gonna get deleted permanently. Now, additionally, you probably also have a Google account signed in on the device. If you do, basically, after the reset is finished, you'll need to verify either the screen lock or the Google account. Assuming you don't know the screen lock, that only leaves you with a Google account. And if you can't verify one of those, you won't be able to finish up the setup. Therefore, you're basically stuck with a brick instead of a phone. So, with that in mind, let's progress. So first things first, we're going to turn off our device. And I'm going to be going through with this from the lock screen as though I don't know it. So first things, we're going to turn it off. Keep in mind, I didn't confirm my screen lock right here. I locked it and then turned it off. So anyway, once the device is off, you want to hold power button, volume up at the same time. Once you see this screen, you can let go of both of these buttons, and then using volume buttons to navigate, you want to start pressing primarily volume down to select wipe data factory reset. When it's selected, confirm it with the power button, then select factory data reset, confirm that. It's going to tell you that it's formatting data and data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so all you need to do is just press the power button. Now this will continue resetting your device right now, and it will take about a minute or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.